Hello, I'm Jenny from Easy Chinese. Today I'm going to cook Chinese garlic chive pocket. Here are the main ingredients. First main ingredient is this garlic chive. 300 gram of garlic chive and 150 gram of carrot I already finely shredded. And this black ear fungus, about 100 gram I already chopped. And the dough. I made this dough about an hour ago. 600 gram of plain flour, 350 milliliter of warm water. It is a bit soft dough. 4 eggs. Last ingredient, 1 pack of this vermicelli is about 50 gram soaked into warm water for about 15 minutes. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. Add the oil, about 3 tablespoons. Scramble into small pieces. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down and add the other ingredients. I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces. Add the chopped black fungus. And now I'm going to chop this garlic chive. You can find it in Oriental store, but I plant this garlic chive in my allotment, so I harvested from my own allotment. Chop this vermicelli also. So now I'm going to mix everything together. Put this vermicelli first, and we add this a bit salt now. Before we add the garlic chive and carrots, about 1/2 teaspoon. A little bit of this Chinese 5 spices. 1/2 teaspoon of this chicken flavor mix. Mix them first. Then add the carrot. At last, this garlic chive. So before we mix this garlic chive in, we just drizzle a bit the sesame oil on top of this garlic chive to seal it, to prevent them to release too much juice. So I mix this garlic chive with the oil and then mix with everything else. Okay, I'm ready to make the pocket now. So from now on, it is pretty much looks like where I'm going to make the Chinese dumpling, but it's just that the size is much bigger than the boiling dumpling because I'm going to pan fry it and show you the size. It's almost like your hand. So it's like the shape is like half moon. So seal it like this. We heat up the non-stick pan, and then I crush a little bit oil. Well, if you don't like oil, you don't need to brush it. Fry each side at medium heat, 4 minutes each side. Which became popular after recent Winter Olympic game. Probably you know Eileen Gu, which is the 2 times gold medal winner. In between of her games, she was having a Chinese snack as her energy bar. So one journalist captured her and asked her the name of the food. She was not sure about English name, but the Chinese name was 韭菜盒子. And after that, many people try to translate it into English. I think Chinese garlic chive pocket is a better translation.